Are you looking to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11? This guide will walk you through the process. Windows 11 brings a fresh-scented start menu, rounded corners, and new ways to multitask like snap layouts and snap groups that can boost your productivity. It also introduces direct access, a quicker way to get to the content you love. But before you get excited about these innovative features, you need to check if your system meets the requirements for Windows 11. Your PC needs to have at least a 1 GHz processor with 2 or more cores, 4 GB of RAM for a 64-bit system, and 64 GB of storage. You also need a compatible graphics card and a display with at least 720 pixels. To check if your system is compatible, you can use the PC Health Check tool from Microsoft. Now that you know the requirements, let's move on to the process of upgrading. Before we start with the upgrade, it's crucial to back up all your important data. Think of it as an insurance policy for your digital life. You wouldn't want to lose precious memories, important documents, or that half-finished novel you've been working on, would you? Backing up your data can be done in a variety of ways. One common method is using an external hard drive. Simply plug it into your computer and copy over the files. Make sure you don't forget any hidden or system files that might be important. Alternatively, you might prefer using cloud storage. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft's own OneDrive offer seamless backup solutions. Just upload your files and they'll be safely stored on the cloud, accessible from anywhere. Remember, an upgrade is a major operation for your computer. It's always better to be safe than sorry. With your data safely backed up, you can proceed with the upgrade without any worries. Now we move on to the main part of the process, downloading and installing Windows 11. First things first, we need to grab the installation file. Head over to the official Microsoft website. There, you'll find a dedicated page for Windows 11, which is easy to locate from the home page. Look for the download link and click on it. This will download the installation file to your system. The file size is quite large, so it might take a few minutes or more depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. It will be an executable file with a name along the lines of Windows 11 Setup. Double-click this file to run the installer. You'll be greeted by a user account control window asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The Windows 11 installer will then launch and you'll see a screen that says Getting a few things ready. This might take a few minutes. Next, you'll be asked to accept the license terms. Take some time to read through them and then click Accept to proceed. The installer will then check for any updates and get them ready. This is an important step as it ensures you have the latest security patches and other updates installed along with Windows 11. Now comes the exciting part. The installer will ask if you're ready to install. Click Install to begin the process. Keep in mind that this will take a while, so now might be a good time to grab a cup of coffee or stretch your legs. The installer will keep you updated on the progress, and your system may reboot a few times during the process. Do not worry, this is completely normal. Once the installation is complete, your system will reboot and you'll be greeted by the new Windows 11 interface. Now you're all set to explore the new features and improvements that Windows 11 has to offer. Enjoy the ride. Now that you have Windows 11 installed, there are a few more steps to get everything set up. First up, you'll be prompted to choose your privacy settings. You can decide how much information you're comfortable sharing with Microsoft. Remember, you can always change these settings later if you change your mind. Next, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, don't worry. It's quick and easy to create one. This will give you access to the full range of Microsoft services, from OneDrive to Office 365. Lastly, let's personalize your desktop. Choose a theme that suits your style, arrange your icons in a way that makes sense to you, and pick a snazzy new desktop background. Remember, this is your space. Make it yours. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded to Windows 11. Enjoy exploring the new features and improvements that this upgrade brings.